Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to cancel your subscription in Canva and request a refund if you are eligible. Whether we want to stop future charges or recover a recent payment, we will walk through the key steps and what to expect on the Canva dashboard. To cancel a subscription, we go to the mini profile logo in the lower left part of the screen. As we can see here, once we are here, we just need to click on Plans and Pricing. For example, if we have a Pro plan, we can click on the Cancel Trial or Cancel Plan option here. If we have a business plan, it will appear here as an option to cancel the subscription. This is how we can cancel a Canva subscription and request a refund in just a few simple steps. Keep in mind that while we can cancel at any time, refunds are usually limited and depend on timing and eligibility. Canva typically lets us keep access until the end of the billing period, even after cancellation.